In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a custom alarm sound on iPhone and iPad. Actually, you can easily set your preferred song or sound on iPhone. For that, you need a GarageBand app. It's an official Apple app. If it already GarageBand app was installed on your iPhone, don't update that app because for new iPhones, GarageBand app was only works on iOS 16 or later versions. If you already have that GarageBand app, use that. And for below iOS 16 users, don't worry. I already made a video about how to add custom alarm sound on iPhone without GarageBand app. For that, watch this video. I will give the video link in the description. Make use of that. Okay, first we need the sound or song. For that, just go to Safari app and open Google and just type the song name and MP3 because on GarageBand app it's only support MP3 file format. It doesn't support AAC or WAV or MP4A anything. So you need to download the song or sound as MP3 file format. For now I just type Pixabay songs. So I just open this. Okay, randomly I download this song. Tap download. Now just click this arrow mark. Downloads. Yeah, now the song was completely downloaded. Now minimize this and open Files app. Open iCloud Drive. Now open Downloads. Yeah, here you can see the song Summer Party. Now minimize this and open the GarageBand app. Okay, now just tap this brick wall like icon. Now click here to turn off this option. Then tap this loop like icon. Okay, now just click Files and tap Browse Items from the Files app. Yeah, for now we can see the songs on Recents. If you doesn't see here, just tap Browse. Then here you can redirect to the sound. Now just click the song you want to add. Just tap this. Now it's added. Now just tap and long press the song. Then move like this. That's it. And one more thing I want to tell you. Here you need to trim the song or music to 30 seconds. To trim the song, just tap like this and move wherever you want, just like that, and play the song. Okay, you can trim the song like this. For now I leave it here. It's the starting point of the alarm sound. Then move to the start point like this. Just click and drag like that. Now we cut the end, just scroll it to the end. Now just click and drag like this. I just leave it for 30 seconds. You can also leave it for default. It will automatically adjust to the first 30 seconds of the song or sound. So just click this. Yeah. After you trimmed the song, now just click this triangle icon and tap My Songs. Okay. Now long press the song. And if you wish, you can rename the song. For now, I don't need that. Now just tap Share and tap Ringtone. Continue. And finally click Export. Okay. Now minimize this. Now open the clock app. Then open the alarm you want to set the custom sound. I just create a new alarm. So just tap this plus icon and tap sound. Yeah, here under ringtones, you will see your custom song. For me, it's my song. I just click that. Then click back. Let's check that. Yeah, it works. Yeah, this is how you can set a custom alarm sound or song on iPhone and iPad. And if you want to reduce the alarm sound, watch this video. This is the only way you can reduce the alarm sound. There is no other way. Just watch this video.